It's happening, it's happening, it's actually happening. I am going to Italy, virtually. I have my glasses on. Today, it's happening, the Italian cooking class. I will be making butter sage ravioli in Italy, just outside of Rome. And believe it or not, my internet is down and it won't be back up for another 2 hours. It's a neighborhood outage. There was an earthquake last night, so that might have something to do with it. But thankfully, I have my phone. I gotta get ready. My pasta's good. It's heavy, but not impossible. Look at it. I put mineral oil on it last night. Double O flour. Ricotta. Okay, so let's look at everything I got. Good news, internet is back. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up over here. Ask to join. Joining. Asking to join. Hello? Yes.
Perfect. Today. I'm Giada and I'm going to do the ravioli.
Okay.
Sure.
Chiara's the teacher.
Okay. We know Sara. It was a small village near Rome, in the north of Rome.
Oh, so now she's showing us a video of her grandmother.
You, I promise, and we do everything step by step.
Okay.
First of all, spinach. You have
Spinach.
your spinach with you?
Yes. Seems like a handful of spinach.
Okay.
Low flame. Cook the spinach at low flame. Okay. Half a cup of flour for 2 eggs. unsalted butter?
Unsalted. But
Okay.
if you don't have it,
I have.
just add
And then how much butter and how much oil? The 6, I'm only making 6. Got it. Thank you.
more or
Italian butter.
here.
This much sage, however much that
Tell
is.
me.
Thanks, Chiara. Bye.
Thank you.
Here's the moment of truth. They look beautiful. Oh my God, butter sage ravioli. Oh my God. It's buttery. I mean, the pasta itself is buttery and creamy with the ricotta. I'm impressed. I think my ravioli is a little too thick. Hopefully you'll join me for more Italian adventures. Let me know in the comments below if you've made fresh pasta. And if you have, do you prefer a rolling pin or should I get a pasta maker? Stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you in Italy again.